Understanding, have disdain for, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, have disdain for. This is a phrase you might come across in books, movies, or in everyday conversations. Understanding it can help you enrich your vocabulary and comprehension of the English language. So, let's dive in. Have disdain for is a phrase used to express a feeling of strong dislike or disapproval towards someone or something. It's important to understand that disdain is a stronger feeling than just not liking something. It often involves a sense of contempt or scorn. For example, if someone says, "I have disdain for dishonesty," it means they strongly disapprove of and look down upon dishonest behavior. Let's break down the phrase for better understanding. Have. This is a verb that, in this context, means to hold or to possess. Disdain. This is a noun that refers to the feeling of considering someone or something unworthy of one's consideration or respect. For, this preposition links the feeling of disdain to the object or person it is directed towards. When put together, have disdain for implies holding a feeling of scorn or contempt towards someone or something. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. 1. She has disdain for people who are always late. 2. As an environmentalist, he has disdain for wasteful practices. 3. The artist had disdain for commercial pop music, preferring more classical styles. These examples show different contexts where the phrase can be used effectively. To expand your vocabulary, it's helpful to know synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms: scorn, contempt, derision, dislike. Antonyms: admiration, respect, esteem, fondness. Understanding these can help you grasp the nuances of the phrase better. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, have disdain for, confidently in your conversations and writing. Remember, learning such phrases not only improves your English but also helps you understand the subtleties of the language. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily English. See you in our next video.